It's a Boodle afternoon. Bigla lang po sila nag-text na magkita-kita kami at mag-green dot kami, no?
Ay, sasunod pala yung ano nila. Ganda? Wala na nakapost din sa isa. Ang ganda. What? Boodle? Hindi, pero maganda. Maganda rin. Ganda. Check mo. Like, gano'n siya ka-spacious. Ikaw ba lang meron? Ang ganda.
Hindi ko bumili. Yun ang kapart mo. Puti na lang kailangan ko balik sa park mo.
Yan yung gusto mo, di ba?
Hindi.
It's smaller. MM.
Pero in-order mo.
Smaller.
yung hawak ko nung last time.
Oo. Malaki yan siya. Nagkamali na.
So, biggest size,
Biggest
smallest size.
Biggest
Smallest.
size. Awal hawak.
Hindi ko hawakan. Di lang ko lang yung coins. Pwede hawakan
May
mo.
coins.
1, 2. Ah, may coins nga.
6 coins, tapos meron pa dyan parang
Ano explanation yan? Ano explanation?
Boom boom rich camera.
Ah, boom boom rich.
Money. More money, prosperity, love, happiness.
Sa akin, dalawa lang yung damay dito, pero mukhang ako pa yung may mabibili. Ma, sorry.
Ano? Ako wala.
Di ba? Sabi sa'yo eh.
Na ako na naman.
Sige, te.
Ito yung gusto mo in this size.
Oo.
Ah, ganon.
Pero sabi ni Jam,
Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi niya yan magagamit sa Sharna. Kasi mukha siyang may lakad everyday. Mukha ko mag-out of town everyday.
Okay, beach everyday.
Kasi guys, ang
Beach ko ganyan.
ang usapan namin dito, Siargao lifestyle na po. Mag-move in na kami.
Yung
Kita.
MM yung magagamit mo.
MM nga.
This one parang puro monograph din. This one's empty. Black lang siya.
Ganda yan. Lalagay mo dito.
Sa smaller version. Kasi dun sa smaller version mo, like kasha wallet, everything, di ba?
G naman.
Hi, Aaron.
Pero yun nga, yun time lang.
Uy, ganda,
Kasi nasa
sis.
Greenbelt kami, no?
Love.
Hindi ba masyado
Hindi ko naman abot, no?
Sakto siya. Jamie, masyado ba malaki?
Ganda.
Promise, hindi yung parang kakainin na niya.
Ay, gulang ka nga.
Naka-medium ka nga na flap eh.
Parang almost same size.
Sige,
Pero
wait,
mas
dito,
mas
sis.
structured lang seats compared to van.
Is ano?
Sige, till one time ba ang ano?
Bakit?
Parang kami reverse monograph
ang
dito
dito mall.
van.
Sobra.
Ako siya ka sporty
Yes.
na...
Mukha ka magsa-surf. Reveal.
Hindi, mas okay siya kasi dito sa...
Like trainer na.
Sony Brothers. Yan, we got the goods, by the way. What a view! Reset! Ang bango!
Wala ako naman ba kami?
Uy, nagluluto si Rei! I love!
Yan pa kayo? Ako makain na. Ako
Huling-huli sa vlog.
matalang lahat pero nag-effort ko. Kain mo ako.
Good morning, peoples of the world. Hi, Una. This is actually my first vlog after getting back from Siargao and ayusin ko lang to. I've been telling my friends and I've been posting on my close friend on Instagram that I have this weird parang space of sadness within me ever since I came back. Like yesterday, I would just cry to Miggy, tapos di ko alam saan siya nanggagaling. And ayun, wala lang. I just want to let you guys know that I'm not feeling like myself lately. I don't know why. But anyway, I still have to work. So later, I have a live and super love ko yung live later kasi it's with Shop Mag and yung topic namin is about insecurities and self-kindness and treating yourself better, and that's something I'm passionate about. Anyway, I think Mika and Koy will go here later to help me with our work. Hoy, ito masungit to si Bobo. Ayaw na i-share si Mama with Ate. Love both babies eh. Tapos pala, nga pala, I'm gonna be unboxing what I got yesterday when we went to the mall with sila Mika. So, ito guys yung diamond painting na nabili ko sa Lazada. I got this for 172 pesos. It's not so big. Ayan, I want to start with the small one. And yung 172 comes with the diamonds already. And, ayan. Yan yung kasama niya sa 172. Bumili lang ako ng separate kit. Ito yung mga kasama niya with the pouch. There you go. Kasi mas gusto ko tong mga picker na to. Kuwari, ayan, di ba, kuwari, tabi-tabi yung letter J. Ito, 3. So, 3 yung kukunin mo. Tapos, isang ganunan ka na lang. Ayan. Nakakaaliw siya, guys. Kasi, whenever I do this, I just focus. Parang yung mind ko, ang iniisip niya lang is yung color. So, parang, when I don't want to think of other things, when I'm overthinking, if I want to take off my mind from something na ayokong isipin, this is something I recommend na pwede niyong gawin. Kasi nakaka-relax talaga siya. Tsaka very therapeutic siya for me. Tsaka nakakatuwa pag nakikita mo yung progress mo.
Let's go, boy! Let's go, time to eat na. Let's go! Time to eat. Luna Bear!
Ay,
That's why I got them all.
hello, bear. Okay, let's eat breakfast. We just ordered some coffee. This is mine. Ice white chocolate mocha with caramel drizzle on top. This is my flatbread.
Ang bitter.
You wanna try?
No.
Sausage and bacon flatbread. Sarap.
Wala walang caramel drizzle. May caramel drizzle yan?
Yeah. Yum. So, I think my call time later is around 3 p.m. Parang ganun. 12 pa lang. So, and mag-diamond painting ako ng konti para lang mapakita ko sa inyo yung process. So, first thing I do is I cut a small piece. Yung willing akong tapusin. I bring out 2 colors lang para hindi siya confusing for me. 2 trays. Dito. Just wiggle it so that it flattens. And then it lines up. Pag may bago kang tool, as you can see, it's empty. So, get here. And then, magkakaroon na siya ng stick. Idikit siya. Guys, ang layo na nang narating natin. Hanggang dumating na si Koy and si Mika. Isang oras na ako dito. I lost track of time. But look, it's so nice. Yeah. May nag-take over na po. At asan ka na? Sige, tapusin mo. Ay, gags! Ang bilis mo ko!
Ito.
Sige, hanggang dun sa taas.
there are any additional comments or questions that can be raised na. And then, what are your thoughts on self-love and appreciation? So, before we go, do you have any final pieces of advice or some words of wisdom to share with everybody before we go?
Well, right now, during this super duper long quarantine, we spend a lot of time online and like what I said before, we tend to compare to ourselves to a lot of people, and with the amount of time we spend on social media, and social media has this power na parang it can shape the way you think about yourself. So, take a step back, fall in love with yourself, do things that, you know, will put you in a good mood. Show a lot of care for yourself because at the end of the day, we will, diba? And you guys are doing so great. You're doing enough. Just focus on yourself.
I love that. That is so true because this journey is yours. Focus on yourself. Thank you so much, Rei.
Hola! So, we just finished our live and kanina lang namin napansin na sobrang parang same with Miggy's psoriasis. Di ko alam kung nakikita nyo pero sobrang dry nung scalp ko. Ayan o. Ayan o. parang di siya dandruff eh. Talagang skin. And same siya with my face kanina. I was applying makeup. Pag ganun ko nung blush, may nagbabalat din. So, I message yung doctor ko. Sabi niya, I have to put anti-inflammatory. Pero ang weird, paano kung ko lagyan ng cream sa... Guys, good morning. Sorry you always see me in this corner. I'm a bit busy with the pre-order of by September. We opened our second batch of the pre-order and it was very successful. Parang 10 minutes pa lang of opening the slots and puno na siya. Like, punong-puno pa talaga. And don't worry, we're working on our website. Later, I'm gonna be sharing with you a few luxury items I got for myself. And I think may mga interesting packages din dyan na gusto ko ipakita sa inyo. Sorry if puro home vlogs lang tayo right now. To be completely honest, sobrang na-pressure ako sa mga sa comments nyo sa Sugar videos kasi a lot of you really liked it. We got an invite to go somewhere out of town. It's gonna be exciting. So, sorry if for now home vlogs pa tayo. But anyway, I'll just finish this, freshen up a bit, and we'll do the unboxing. So, wait lang. So, ayan. Here are some things na I'm going to be unboxing with you guys. But, meron din ako there. So, unahin na natin yon. Ayun naman po talaga. Parang pirated yung vlog namin. May dumadaan na aso. Diyan ka muna. Huwag ka muna makulit. Grooming time na in a while. Okay. First package. Naka-focus ba siya sa akin? Yan. First package that I have here. Binili ko to from Lazada. Tignan nyo. I got 3 insulated bottles because everyone here in the house, they use insulated bottles. All of us, we bring up ice cold water in our rooms. Especially yung siblings ko, wala silang ref sa own rooms nila. So, and it's very useful talaga. It's reusable. You can bring it to work. So, ayun, bumili pa ako ng mas madami. So, this is the first one. This is my second time buying this exact same insulated parang cup. I got this in mint before. Now, I got it in white. Sorry about the pokpok nations happening downstairs. Yan. Super nice siya kasi you can drink directly from the cup here. Pero meron din siyang straw. Yan. So, eto guys, all of them, they can keep your drinks cold for 24 hours and then mga 12 to 18 hours na hot. Next is this one. Ayan. Ito naman yung may handle. Tapos, this is how you open it. Ito, I saw this from Tony. Cute siya. It's just smaller, but it's really cute. Ta-da! Ayan. This one is like in eggshell color. It's really, really nice. Ayan. Pero medyo maliit lang siya. This next, oh, this is by the way my diamond painting corner. This one is a handbag. A lot of you really like yung Vlogmas canvas bag natin. So I always look for a plain bag and then I saw this and it's just plain but very functional. So it looks like this. It's just plain black. I love how it has a long strap. But wait, there's more. So inside, meron siya nito. Tada! And meron siyang gold chain strap. So, meron ganito siya sa loob. Ganyan siya. Deep naman siya. It comes with a long strap. So, pwede siyang crossbody. So, I have the box right here. Haven't used this pa. She is pretty, she is pretty, she is pretty. Look at that. Tan Chanel Classic Flap in medium. She is so pretty. She's so pretty. This is my dream Chanel color. According to Ate Amy, it took Chanel 35 years to release this color again. Huge, huge, huge thanks to Ate Amy for scoring this bag for me. These are the type of bags na best as an investment. Like the black ones, they're always there. But itong mga color na to, since they come every 10, 20, 30 years lang, then when you plan to resell it na, sobrang taas ng value niya. Ito naman, sobrang nakakatawa talaga guys. Kasi kung based on the vlog, as you guys will see, yung hangout trip na yun was supposedly for Mika talaga. It was supposedly her retail therapy, pero napasa sa akin. But this bag kasi I've been eyeing. Sobrang okay ng price point niya. So, sobrang mga gamit ko to everyday. Mukha siyang maliit, I swear. Alam mo, nagagalit yung mom ko sa akin pag bumibili akong maliit na bag. But in reality, ang laman lang naman ng bag ko right now phone, Oxycure, wallet. That's it. So, pag bumibili ako ng bag, kapag kasya yung tatlong yon, then it's a good everyday bag and I'll be able to use it over and over again. Look at that. It's a tiny, tiny bag. My mom can't borrow this. Wala siyang mapapala. Look at it! She is so cute. Parang laruan, no? Parang bag ni Bobo. Patingin nga ako. Bag ni Bobo.
Holy fuck.
Bag ni Bobo. This is my wallet. Give me a phone. Phone with a pop socket pa. May space pa, sis. O, diba?
But imagine holding that in the mall. How will you hold that while walking?
Strap, sis. Strap. Bumili ako ng...
Paano siya kanya-close?
Ito sa haba
So,
closure.
pwede ka nakawan.
Oo, pwede ako nakawan. Ba't ka hindi akong papanakaw? Hater. I got another strap just because this strap I'll be able to use once I get the Nano Vanity. I'm not sure if you remember my Christmas gift for Jamie, and I want something like that for myself. And I think ito, magagamit din to ng mom ko kasi may mga LV bags din siya. Versatile siya na black and monogram. Wala namang hilig si Ann sa bag, so hindi nagagamit yung bags ko. Sayang, no?
Benta po.
Anong benta mo? Rei everyday bag. Ayan. Kasi I was supposed to buy the Palm Spring. Eh, ang mahal na ng Palm Spring. Parang di ko na siya kaya bilhin ulit. Anyway, that is it for today's vlog. Anong next vlog natin? Baka we'll do a site visit na of something new na we're working on. We'll bring you there. Okay, I'll see you guys next Wednesday or Saturday. Bye-bye!